Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this microwave effect on After Effects. First, you have to open After Effects and make a new project and add your clips. And right click on your first layer and go to time and enable time remake. And the very beginning of the clip, you have to add a keyframe and go to the end of your clip and add another keyframe. And click on the first keyframe and press Control plus C in your keyboard and go to the end and press Control plus V in your keyboard. And go to your second clip and do the same. You have to do this for all of the clips. You can copy paste it. If you do that, the effect wouldn't work. And align your clips to the middle like this. And again go to the script and press U on your keyboard and select all the keyframe and press F9 on your keyboard and open the graph editor and copy my graph. And close it. You have to do this for all of your clips. And you have to select all the clips and add motion blur and frame blending. Now we have to add a zoom, and before that you have to pre-compose all of your clips. Enable this check mark and press OK. To add zooms, you have to open Effect and Present panel and search for S underscore Bermo curves effect and drag it down to your first layer. And the beginning of the clip, you have to add a keyframe for set distance and go to gain and press U on your keyboard and add a keyframe for the end and select both of the keyframe and press F9 and open graph editor and copy my graph. Make sure the cursor in the middle of your clip like this. And if you're done, close the graph editor. And make sure the zoom in happening to the face of the character like this. And now you can select both of the keyframes and press Ctrl and C in your keyboard and go to the second clip and press Ctrl and B and press U on your keyboard and again select both of the keyframes and hold down your Alt key and drag this keyframe to the end of the clip. And again click on third layer and copy the keyframes and click on third layer and press Ctrl and V. And you are done. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.